Welcome to Tech and Carry, and today I'll be demonstrating in a few steps how to install and join a Zoom meeting on a mobile device. Step 1. Open Google Play on an Android device. If you have an Apple device, open the App Store. Step 2. Search the store for the application named Zoom Cloud Meeting. Step 3. Install the Zoom application. You may need to allow Zoom permission to access information from other apps. If prompted, enter your Apple ID or your Google password to proceed the install. How to join a Zoom meeting on a mobile device. Join the Zoom meeting by clicking the link you received from your email. In addition, if you do not want to join by using the link, you can join by either calling the phone number and entering the meeting ID, or there's a real neat feature which is called One Tap Mobile. By tapping this in the Zoom link, it will dial the number and enter the meeting ID automatically. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was very informative. Please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for weekly content. And in addition, if there are any topics you'd like me to cover, please comment in the section below.